But hey everyone, welcome back! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of virtual reality or VR. If you've ever wondered what VR is and how it works, you're in the right place. So what exactly is virtual reality? VR is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. It uses computer technology to create a three-dimensional, immersive environment that you can interact with in a seemingly real or physical way. When you put on a VR headset, you're transported into a digital world. It's like stepping into a video game, movie, or even a different reality altogether. The headset tracks your movements and adjusts the display to match your perspective, making you feel like you're actually inside the virtual environment. There are a few key components that make VR possible. First, you have the VR headset. This is the piece of equipment you wear on your head. Inside the headset are two small screens, one for each eye, which create a stereoscopic effect to give you a sense of depth. Then, there are the sensors. These track your head movements and adjust the visuals accordingly. This is crucial because it helps maintain the illusion that you're in a different place. Without this tracking, the experience wouldn't feel nearly as immersive. Another essential component is the input device. This could be a pair of handheld controllers, a glove, or even a full-body suit. These devices let you interact with the virtual world. You can pick up objects, move around, and even manipulate your environment just like you would in real life. Now let's talk about applications. VR isn't just for gaming, although that's a huge part of it. It's also being used in education, training, healthcare, and even real estate. Imagine being a medical student and performing a virtual surgery before ever touching a real patient. Or think about house hunting from the comfort of your couch, taking virtual tours of properties without ever leaving your home. The possibilities are endless. One of the most incredible things about VR is its potential to connect people. It can bring us together in ways we never thought possible. Whether it's attending a virtual concert with friends from around the world, or collaborating on a project in a shared virtual workspace, VR is breaking down geographical barriers. Of course, like any technology, VR does have its challenges. High costs, potential health concerns like motion sickness, and the need for more content are some of the hurdles that need to be addressed. But with advancements happening at a rapid pace, the future of VR looks incredibly bright. In summary, virtual reality is an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that's changing the way we interact with digital content. From gaming and education to healthcare and social connections, VR is opening up new worlds of possibilities. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is What's Z, signing off.